Chase Freedom Flex Business Plus pricing. Explain what you get for your money. If your business wants a flexible cashback card with rotating bonus categories, the Chase Freedom Flex Business Plus card is worth a look. Most people get this wrong. They focus only on the quarterly categories and miss the card's broader value for everyday business spending. The card earns 5% cash back on quarterly bonus categories, 5% on travel purchase through Chase, 3% on dining and drugstores, and 1% on all other purchases. For company spending 0 per year in categories like office supplies, travel, and dining, the cash back can add up to 0 or more annually. Additional benefits include purchase protection, extended warranty coverage, no annual fee, and employee cards to simplify expense tracking. Cashback is automatically deposited into your Chase account, making it easy to redeem for business needs or reinvest in the company. Because the card has no annual fee, the value comes entirely from its rewards and protections. Even small businesses can see tangible benefits, especially if they actively plan spending around the bonus categories each quarter. In conclusion, the Chase Freedom Flex Business Plus card is a smart choice for businesses looking for flexible cashback opportunities and practical protections. By combining rotating bonuses with everyday rewards, it turns routine spending into a strategic advantage for your company.